Right after we finished dealing with the government shutdown, averting a government shutdown, I called the leaders here together. I met with every single caucus for an hour to an hour and a half each. I've met with the leaders multiple times. At a certain point, they need to do their job.